y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows just because it's time consuming, and now I'm gonna prime my eyes, and I'm gonna use my Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer and my ABA setting powder to set it. Next, I'm using the ABH Norvina Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to use that darker shade and put that on the outer parts of my eyes and blend it out with that pink shade. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm going to take that shade and put that on my lids. Next, I'm using the Stilla Matte Liquid Eyeliner. For lashes, I'm going to use my Ioni Lashes, and I'm using my House of Lashes eyelash glue. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my eyelashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil, and then I'm going to use my Essence waterproof mascara. Okay, I already moisturized my face and used my sunscreen. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. Correct the dark spots on my face and neck. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. To highlight, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm, and I'm going to put this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's setting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using a combination of my ABA setting powder and Deep Peach and my Urban Decay setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. Now I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Powder in 65 Toffee as my all over face powder. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Volume 4 palette, and I'm going to use that top shade for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to use those two shades for my highlight. I'm using the Revlon Super Luxurious Pearl Lipstick in Gold Goddess. And I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this galactic makeup look that I did. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. Also, like, comment, share. I really want to hear from you all. And I will see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.